SpaceX's Starship, charting the path to the moon. Welcome to a new frontier, where the impossible becomes possible and the stars are within our grasp. SpaceX's Starship is leading the way. Born from a vision, Starship embodies our relentless pursuit of innovation. It's not just a spacecraft, it's a symbol of hope, aspiration, and human resilience. Every launch, every orbit, carries the dreams of humanity. And with each successful mission, we inch closer to our ultimate destination, the moon. But the journey to the moon is not just about the destination. It's about the collective effort, the challenges overcome, and the science pushing us further. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, Starship's journey represents our shared desire for exploration, discovery, and understanding the universe. Join us in this journey. Like, share, comment, and be a part of this adventure. Together, we can touch the stars.